Karishma's family has shared an encouraging update on the Limpopo singer's recovery months after the devastating October 2025 car crash that claimed the lives of a driver, Vincent Mapopa, and passenger Judy Mabula. Speaking on behalf of the family, her brother Nthegeni Kgatla said the award-winning musician is now at an advanced stage of recovery and continues to receive the best medical care and rehabilitation as she works towards regaining her full strength. The family also revealed that Karishma's 3 Basadi in Music Award nominations have given her renewed hope and motivation during her healing journey. While the singer remains away from social media to focus on her recovery, her family thanked fans for their unwavering love, prayers, and support, and encouraged them to continue voting for her as she continues on the road of recovery. Thanks a lot for watching this video until the end. Please do consider leaving your thoughts down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.